Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to log out of your BitPay.com account. If you're looking for a way to sign out or log out of BitPay.com since you are done using the platform, so in order to do that, first open a web browser of your choice and then go to the text box and type in BitPay.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site for BitPay, click on the login button at the top right hand corner and then make sure that you're inside the main home page for BitPay. After you're inside the main home page, go ahead and click on your profile picture or your user ID at the top right hand corner, which will then bring up a pop-up. Click on the sign out button in the pop-up and then you'll be redirected to the main login page for BitPay, which means you have successfully logged out or signed out of BitPay.com account. If you ever want to get access to your account back again, you'll need to enter your email address and your password, so make sure you know your credentials before logging out or signing out. So that is how you can easily log out of BitPay within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.